Ready, set, go. So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It is first thing in the morning here. Just getting light out, and I'm taking Archie for a little hike here in the woods so he can burn a little energy off. We've got a pretty busy day planned here today. Looks like it's gonna be around 50, maybe even 55 degrees today. He's trying to figure out which way we're going. He thinks we're going that way, but we're going this way. That's too big. That's too big, Archie. Now we're gonna move that off the trail. Supposed to get these off the trail. The wrong way. Leave it there. Let's go. Alright, so Archie and I got back to the house just a little bit ago, but boy does he enjoy heading out there in the woods. That dog has so much energy, it's unbelievable. But I just hopped in the Jeep and I got a little running around to do, and we need to stop at the post office and mail some shirts that Melissa made. I might even wash his Jeep up. Got a bunch of road grime on it, might take care of that. A few other things, and when I get back we'll head down to the Woodyard. Alright, I got the Jeep cleaned up. Now we're going to pull in the sheets here and get some gas. $4.19, actually $4.20 a gallon. So did you guys see what old Elon tweeted the other day? When Elon says we need to produce more oil, you know we're in trouble. All right, just got back to the house. Just did a quick wash on the Jeep to get some of the road grime off of it. But the sun's starting to come out. I think we may head down to the Woodyard here in just a bit. All right, got another basket of bundle firewood split up. This is really nice stuff right here. All these baskets that I have sitting right here, that's not their permanent home. Once I get all my wood cut and split, shouldn't be too many more days. All these baskets are going to go on the other side of the wood bunker. And we need to finish filling up the wood shed and get everything cleaned up and get ready for spring. Yeah, all these baskets will go in here. I'll probably need a little bit more room, but once we get that track loader, everything's going to change down here. Also wanted to mention, don't forget, next weekend, Melissa and I will be at the big sports show at the Minneapolis Convention Center. We'll be there on Friday and half a day Saturday at least. If you're planning on coming, let us know in the comments. It looks so far it's going to be a pretty good turnout. A lot of people in that area have been saying they're coming. So yeah, that'll be a good time. We're looking forward to get away for a couple days. And I've never been to that show, but it sounds like it's a pretty big one. Sounds like it's a hunting, fishing, outdoorsy kind of show. Probably similar to the big one in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, I'm guessing. So if you're in the area, hopefully we'll see you next weekend there. All right, I have the excavator down here. I'm going to bring it over, throw some of these pieces closer to the splitter, and I got a few logs up there in a pile. I'm going to bring them down and get ready to cut those up. We'll probably do that later this afternoon or tomorrow, but it's really warming up right now. It's up to about 50 degrees already. That's what I thought the high was going to be. It's probably going to be closer to 60, 65 degrees today. This big one here came from a load of firewood poles that I bought. It's about a third of a big red oak. I don't know if that split after they had it on the ground or if it barber chaired on them or what, but there's a lot of wood left in that right there. All right, right now I'm going to take a little break and head up to the house and take the hunt man somewhere for a bit, probably to get a chicken sandwich. So I was thinking earlier, I mentioned that Elon Musk, of all people, said we should start producing more oil. Can you imagine if he would say we need to start cutting some more firewood? So here comes Eva. What do you got there?
Running more short orders for Mom.
More shirt orders. So I took some in this morning, and this is what, we won't show them the addresses, but that's what Melissa
Bag full.
just did here in the last hour and a half or so.
Yep.
What else going on? Anything?
50 degrees here, so I got short sleeves on.
Yeah, it's not quite there yet, but it's getting there. Everyone's been asking, you feeling good still and everything?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically 100%.
And that's 110% of most people, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks, and I'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
All right, so Melissa just came out to show us her latest design. What do you got there?
Yeah, I have a gray Carhartt hoodie, the logo of Outdoors with the Morgans with partial flag. This is the way it's supposed to look, so don't think like, oh gee, part of it ripped off. It didn't. It's supposed to be a partial flag, like it's blowing. And the back is sawdust, is man glitter, chainsaw, log, sawdust, and Outdoors with the Morgans.
So you only have a limited supply of these, right?
Yeah, very limited, and they're hard to get a hold of right now. So if I get more, we'll of course let you know. But I'm afraid if you like these, they'll go fast. But I don't know if we're going to be able to have any more of them for the season.
Yeah. But anyway, it is, I'll put a link in the description for that if you're interested. But I think right now, I'm going to take the hunt man somewhere, go out for just a bit, come back, and it's a day to be outside, though. That is for sure.
Yeah, I better get busy picking up dog poop.
Oh, yeah. The landmines are out there.
That's right.
All right. All right, the hunt man and I are headed to get a chicken sandwich. We had to stop and get some of the best beef jerky on planet Earth. I mentioned this place before in a video, but they do not ship or anything like that. A bunch of people called last time I was down here. They do have really, really good jerky, though. Brittner's Smokehouse. Best I've ever had. All right, Hunter. Number 10 original. Come here. All right, just made it back to the house. I think we're going to wrap this video up with showing you more of your tractor pictures. So like I always say, if you enjoyed these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.